Welcome to a guided meditation to reduce overthinking and anxiety. By the end of this practice, you will feel extremely relaxed and calm in both body and mind. Come to a comfortable seated pose. Sit either on a chair or preferably on the floor. Keep your legs crossed if you can. Lean your back against a wall or your chair. Your back should be touching a wall or the back of your chair. Sit comfortably. Keep your hands in your lap, facing upwards. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, relax. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, relax even further. Take one last deep breath in. And as you exhale, completely relax your body. Leave it loose. As you return to normal breathing, bring your awareness to the top of your head, the topmost point of your head, and feel all the sensations going on at this point. Now slowly take your awareness to your forehead. Become aware of what sensations are there in your forehead. If there is any heaviness, release it right now. Try and release it. Now slowly move your awareness to your nostrils and feel the inhalation and exhalation. Move your awareness to your lips. And stay aware of the sensations created by your lips joining. Slowly move your awareness to the bottom of your throat. And stay with all the sensations in this area. Bring your awareness to your shoulders and release if there is any tension or stiffness in your shoulders. Now move your awareness to the center of your chest, where the rib cage meets, and observe the sensations of your heartbeat. Move your awareness to your belly and feel the movement of your belly with your inhalation and exhalation. The slow expansion of your belly and the slow contraction. Move your awareness to your back and feel the sensation created between your back and the wall or chair. Just stay with the sensation. Now, very slowly, move your awareness to your hips. And again, observe the sensations between your hips and the floor beneath. Bring your awareness to your knees and see if you can relax your knees even further. Bring your awareness to your feet and relax your feet. And stay with the sensations created at the bottom of your feet. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax your body. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax your body even further. Let go. Relax. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, completely relax your entire body from head to toe. Loose, relaxed. We will very slowly come out of this meditation. Bring your hands together. Rub your hands. Place them on your eyes. And very gently open your eyes.